Boosting testosterone naturally involves making various lifestyle changes, including diet and exercise. While vitamins play a role in overall health and hormonal balance, it's important to note that the effect of vitamins on testosterone levels is generally modest, especially if you don't have a deficiency. That said, here are some vitamins that may be beneficial for testosterone production. Vitamin D. Vitamin D is crucial for testosterone production. Spend time in the sun or consider taking vitamin D supplements if you have a deficiency, as many people do. Vitamin D-rich foods include fatty fish, salmon, mackerel, fortified dairy products, and egg yolks. Vitamin C. Vitamin C is an antioxidant that can help reduce oxidative stress, which may negatively impact testosterone levels. Citrus fruits, strawberries, and bell peppers are good sources of vitamin C. Vitamin B6. Vitamin B6 is involved in the regulation of hormones, including testosterone. It can be found in foods like poultry, fish, and bananas. Vitamin K. Vitamin K may help regulate testosterone levels, and it's found in leafy greens, egg, kale, spinach, broccoli, and Brussels sprouts. Vitamin E. Vitamin E can help with testosterone production and is found in nuts, seeds, and spinach. Zinc. While not a vitamin, zinc is a crucial mineral for testosterone production. Foods rich in zinc include oysters, beef, poultry, and beans. Magnesium. Magnesium is important for overall health and can support testosterone production. It's found in nuts, seeds, whole grains, and leafy greens. Vitamin A. Vitamin A is essential for reproductive health, and it can be obtained from foods like liver, eggs, and orange-colored vegetables. Folate vitamin B9. Folate helps regulate the production of sex hormones and is found in foods like leafy greens, beans, and lentils. Vitamin B5 pantothenic acid. Vitamin B5 is involved in hormone production and can be found in a variety of foods, including avocados, mushrooms, and sunflower seeds. In addition to these vitamins, maintaining a healthy lifestyle with regular exercise, sufficient sleep, and stress management is important for optimizing testosterone levels. Reducing the intake of processed foods, sugar, and excessive alcohol can also contribute to hormonal balance. Remember that individual responses to dietary and lifestyle changes can vary, and if you suspect a hormonal imbalance or have concerns about your testosterone levels, it's advisable to consult with a healthcare professional for proper evaluation and guidance.